Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to discuss about transfer of charges, uh, and we will be discussing a simple electroscope. Electroscope. Now, what do you understand by an electroscope? Electroscope is an instrument which helps us to detect whether a body is charged or uncharged. Now let us look into this construction of this electroscope. We will see this figure. You can yourself imagine that this is a plastic bottle wherein a cardboard has been placed. A cardboard has been placed over here, and it has been stripped, and a metallic foil is placed over here for the transfer of the charge, and there are two aluminum strips, one and two aluminum strips. Now look how it works. We will be bringing a refill or a scale, plastic scale. We will rub that with our hair or something else so that this refill gets charged, and we will bring this refill and touch the refill with this metallic rod and see what happens to these two aluminum foils which are hanging down. What happens is the charge gets transferred through this metallic strip to these aluminum strips, and what will happen, we know that when we touch this this metallic strip with that refill which we have charged by rubbing, these two strips, they will repel each other. Why this happens? Because we know that like charges repel, because this repel, when we touch this foil, when we touch this metallic strip with this refill, these strips get similar charges repel. That means this refill is definitely a charger body. Therefore the repulsion process occurs in these two metallic strips. We will be further discussing about uh, and we will be discussing about this. This was the construction and working of a simple electroscope. Now what happens when if we touch this this rod, this strip with our hand, what happens? With our metallic hand, what happens is these files, they will get, this whole body will get discharged, and these metallic strips will come to their original place where they were, or they will simply collapse, because this when we touch this metallic rod or metallic coil or metallic string over here, this charge gets to the earth through our body, it gets to the earth, and this process is called as earthing. Earthing is actually, this process of earthing is very much essential in what we say as huge buildings, multi-story buildings, skyscrapers, because if somehow the electric